Check out some lesser-known features of Python. Python can return multiple values. Python can return multiple values in a single statement. The Zen of Python. Tim Peters, a major contributor to the Python community, wrote this poem to highlight the philosophies of Python. If you type in import this in your Python idle, you'll find this poem. Easy swapping. Else with for and while. We can use else block with for and while loops in Python. String concatenation. Python will concatenate two strings if they are separated by a space. Index of a list. Use enumerate method to get elements of list with index. Anti-gravity module. Import anti-gravity module in Python idle and see what happens next. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.